Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a comprehensive guide on how to create a property maintenance tracker in Airtable, keeping all your property-related tasks and deadlines in one organized place. Now let's kick things off with the first step, which is to create a new base in Airtable. You can do this by clicking on the Add a Base button on your Airtable dashboard. The reason we do this is that a base serves as a central hub for all your data, similar to a database. Having done that, your next move is to create 3 essential tables within your base: properties, maintenance tasks, and contractors. To create a new table, simply click the plus icon on the top bar. These tables help us structure our data logically and efficiently. The Properties table will store information about your properties, maintenance tasks will keep track of all the tasks, and contractors will hold details about your service providers. Now that you've got your tables set up, the third step is to add fields to each table. In Properties, you might include fields like property name, location, and owner. In Maintenance tasks, consider task name, due date, assigned contractor, and status. And in Contractors, add contractor name and contact info. This helps us because it gives us specific parameters to track for each property, task, and contractor. Next up, let's link the tables together. For instance, in the Maintenance Tasks table, assigned contractor should link to the Contractors table, and there should be a link to the Properties table as well. This is important as it allows interconnectivity between data in different tables and ensures accurate tracking of tasks and contractors for each property. Now, the final step is to create views for each table. For example, in Maintenance Tasks, you can create a calendar view to visualize task deadlines or a Kanban view to track task progress. To create a view, click on the View bar at the top of your table and select the desired view type. This is a crucial step because it provides an easy way to interpret and manage your data. So there you have it. You have successfully created your property maintenance tracker in Airtable. This organized system will help you manage your properties and maintenance tasks more efficiently, saving you time and stress. Thanks for tuning in, and happy property managing.